it's a compilation of poems written, and guess for who? Her lover. We welcome Stacy-Ann Gentles, who is the author of For My Lover. Stacy-Ann.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So, you've been writing for a couple of years.
Yes, yes.
What prompted you to do this collection of poems?
Well, I should say that I'm an introvert, firstly. So I express myself through writing. But being that I was writing from high school, I wrote them and put them in a lab book. So some of the poems that I wrote for my lover then, he's just seeing right now in this book. Because as I say, I'm very private. So I would write my feelings down. Some of them I burnt. Yeah.
To lock it away,
to
just
lock
for
it
you.
away, yes. And to overcome it as well. Because this feeling for me in high school was new and not all the times accepted at such a young age. But if you see in the book, you see the dates at the top. So you would know that I was pretty young when I started.
But in terms of just, putting it together and now sharing it to the world, being an introvert, what changed for you to say, I'm going to do this?
My best friend, Chantal Watson, she's like, you need to let the world feel this love, this passion, because I'm about love and intimacy. I love love.
You're a romantic.
Yes, yes.
Let me ask an inquisitive questions. Well, all questions are inquisitive, but this one a proper fast in your business.
Yeah, man, that's fine.
The person around whom those poems were written when you were that young, and the title of the book, is it the same person that you're with now?
No, no.
So hold on a second. Let's just call the person you wrote the poems about person A.
Person A, yes.
And you're with person B.
Who is sparked?
And person B is now reading that. You have poems like that about person B too?
Well, person B is more intimate.
Oh, okay.
Because at that time I was very underage and stuff.
Oh.
So person B is more intimate.
And confident that.
Yes, and however, I explained to him, because just like my book, I am like that. I explained to him that love has deaths and rebirths. So the love died, and he sparked it again, and I started writing again. Yeah. So yes.
But I would have thought if there was a death, you burned all of those poems related to Mr. 2005.
I had them in a lab book.
They were locked away and read it.
I'm very sentimental as well. I keep everything.
You're reviving it.
When was born, Stacey?
March.
You're a Pisces?
Yes.
Oh gosh, you hold everything in that ocean of emotions.
Yes.
Is there any particular one you'd like to read for us?
I like to read.
That is TV friendly for the morning.
Yes, of course.
Children watch the show.
Yes, of course. I'm going to read one from my lover, and this one.
Which page are you on?
On 38.
All right. Go ahead.
And this one is because he used to write as well.
Okay.
But in those days we used to text each other. So he used to write these things as well. As insomnia kicks in, thoughts of you keep haunting me. Memories of nights filled with passion and ecstasy of holding each other, while we gaze at the glimmer of hope in each other's eyes. When will you set my heart at peace? When will you give it rest? So many unanswered questions, so many unspoken words. I want to shout, I love you, and bellow it clearly. I want to say you mean the world to me. I love you today, tomorrow, and yesterday. From my lover.
Well, so...
This is Mr. 2018.
So that's person B.
Person A.
That's person A.
Yes.
But you said, I love you today.
But I took it from him at that date.
Okay. Is person A with somebody else who...
Yes, he's actually the father of my eldest son.
Oh, okay.
And, yeah.
All right, so, you know what?
But in terms of, I know you did say earlier that sometimes love has cycles, so there's a death. So I guess a particular kind of love you may have for person A. So even though you don't love him intimately, you still have love for him or respect him.
Yes, yes. As I say, he's my son's father as well.
And how important is it for you to have a good relationship with him even though you have moved on?
Because as I say, I'm about love. And love entails forgiveness. Love entails acceptance as well. So, of course, we're not together, but we understand each other.
Have a bond, a child.
Yes, yes, this big bundle.
I can't wait for the second book.
I'm actually working on one, but it is a little bit far from this.
Yeah.
The title is I Gave Up a Life for a Life, because I am attending nursing school and I was to go abroad. Then I found out I was pregnant. I couldn't go again. So my life of dreaming to become a registered nurse, I had to give up, in a sense, to give birth to a life. Yes. So
Oh, that's beautiful already.
yeah,
I gave up a life
for a life.
And this is a very, I mean, so this is your love,
Yes.
but that next book is going to be so personal
Really
and deep.
open.
You introverted? You're sure
Yes.
you're introverted?
I have to represent my work.
Yeah, but I mean,
So I have to be learning how
true
to be.
introverts hold on to that and
I've been
build
holding
on
on
it.
to it for
So
years.
now it's time to share it.
It's time.
Who do you write for? Like, especially the second book. I mean, this one is the one we're talking about now, but then you opened the pages of the other book. Who are you writing for? And when that person reads the book, what in them are you trying to help?
I definitely write for persons who they want to pursue a career. However, you know, everything has to be balanced. So you want to tie in family life, you want to tie in taking care of the children, all of that. So basically, I want to speak to people who made a decision or did a pause in their life to give birth then to a human being that they can pick up and continue.
I'm in trouble this morning. When you read the papers and you listen to some people speak, they said Jamaican women are doing all that they want to do. There are more women in management and ownership roles within companies than men. Do you still think that truth is true, that women pause their careers, give up opportunities to nurture, to give birth to and nurture children?
Yes, yes, we do. As much as we want to come out strong, we are indeed biologically
Stronger.
well, stronger, and also we have to bear children, because eventually we find out that we have missed something, and then it might be too late to go back. So sometimes life happens, and it is for our good. Yes, and we're still strong, because we have to be strong for that.
You have to teach them.
Yeah.
So for those persons who want to get For My Lover, where is it available?
So it's available on Amazon. It's in the Kindle version and also the paperback. And the audio will be available soon. Yes, I'll be using my voice. And you can also, you go on my Facebook page, For My Lover, and my Instagram, For My Lover 8, and you can message me directly to get copies of the book.
Thank you, Stacy.
Stacy-Ann Gentles, thank you so much for being so vulnerable and
Yes.
sharing, and we look forward to more of your writings.
She ain't no introvert. Thanks, Stacy. It was great to have you this morning.
Thank you too for having me.